When the first generation of the BMW X1 was replaced with the current model, the little crossover switched from a rear-drive-based platform to a Mini-derived front-wheel drive architecture. It also dropped the previously available inline-six engine and was styled more conservatively, with a decidedly mainstream and conventionally proportioned shape. The revised X1 has been a success, and is currently among our 10 best trucks and SUVs winners, but BMW seemingly recognizes its lack of zest. Enter the new, and mechanically similar, X2, internally called F39. It's a sporty subcompact crossover that is far more visually extroverted and it is slated for a US market launch in the spring of next year. The X2 features a long hood, a steeply raked windshield, a sleek greenhouse, and an aggressively styled rear end with horizontal taillights. It's not just an X1 with a more steeply raked backlight but a distinctive design all its own. The pentagonal kidney grills usher in a new design for Munich, and one of our favorite elements is the location of the BMW roundels on the C-pillar, which echo legendary BMW models such as the 3200 CS, the 2000 CS, and the iconic E9 Coupe, 2500 CS, 2.8 CS, 3.0 CS, and 3.0 CSL. It's a strong design cue that shouldn't be restricted to the X2, where the logos look right. The bold appearance can be enhanced via the optional M Sport X package, shown here on the yellow car. A new offering from BMW, it aims to